Okay guys, today I'm playing this game. Oh, here it is, Happy Alphabet. Go back to the alphabet. I was a bit. This is the copy of the endless alphabet I found in Scratch, but it's not. It's just someone made something about this game. It's because of this app. It needs to be named a font. Also, who made this font? Bruh. Alligator. By the way, you farted. Wait, should.
Penetrates 10 skin layers to reduce stubborn dark spots and bright skin in 5 days. Nivea is for skin.
May high cholesterol o diabetes? Bawal na bawal! Say yes to Glucopros, fiber that helps block sugar and cholesterol. Bawal na bawal! Say
Found.
yes to Glucopros. That's first thing is afraid, but not ang lahat. Pero sa minisa na cubes, now they're wanting for more!
This is not part of this. What the heck? Wait a minute.
Pag-ibay katawan at ibay resistensya, mas makakapag-aral ng mahusay. Meron.
I'm just gonna put the cover.
Mapapanood sa OTV2 at sabay-sabay tayong tumutok sa ating paboritong kapamilya shows. Dahil tayo ay isang totoong buhay. Makulang napaka-ulo. Pagkakamala tayo. Sinahapin ang ating New Year dahil tayo ay together, forever, kapamilya. Kapamilya Channel sa OTV2.
Mommy, why does no word start? Why does no word end with the letter Q? Why is there no word that ends with the letter Q? Why?
Umpisa na ang Kidney Duets sa week-long grand finals. Wala sa idalang ang kahanga-hangang kapasidad. Ito na ang unang duo, Soul Swagger!
Okay, guys. Sorry. Where's the O on the me? Okay.
I-G.
I have a lot of letters here that I'm playing. Not these ones. These on the floor. And then with them. Where's
Ikinalulungkot namin, Soul Swaggers, namumutiyak ng ko ang ating pangurado. Okay, alamin natin ang talento. Yes po, Sir Louis.
The performance was good. Unfortunately, it wasn't malinis. May mga harmonies kayo na nag-off kayo. And then, may parts na ng unison, nag-off rin sila. I think you concentrated too much on the rap. And when it came to the singing, you sort of lost control. I don't know if it was your energy or presence of mind. Being conscious of this is a competition.
Kangaroo.
I love
Here's
the
kangaroo.
performance na parang pang-concert nga. So, syempre, bibilangan din namin kayo kapag may off kayo.
A to Z.
Sa competition. So,
I think sir yung adrenaline.
yeah, well, I
Minsan lumalabas kasi minsan yung
and then I think, you know, I guess when you sing and dance, that's part of it. You really have to be in control with your vocal cords. Because syempre, when you're dancing, iba rin yun eh, di ba?
Siyempre, na-appreciate namin yung tapang. Nagiging reckless and careless kayo. Nakaka-excite panoorin yun. Pero dapat, kapag ganun kayo katapang, yun din yung trick na dapat hawak ninyo yung boses ninyo. Ang nangyari sa inyo, bato lang ng bato, unison, harmonies, ang nangyayari madumi. That's sharp sa loob.
What the heck?
So, importante, hindi lang basta tapang. Kailangan hawak ninyo yung notes. So, yun yung nawala sa performance ninyo.
Hanggang were you able to practice this?
Almost a week po.
Almost.
Almost 1 month.
These are my two.
Parang 3 or 4 days po.
Zero for them. Kasi bagay na naman sa pag hindi mo mas nilatan yung pyesa mo, mas nakakakaba. So, what happened? Alam niyo ba, narinig niyo yung mga binabanggit ng mga flats and sharps? Alam niyo, aware kayo?
A little lang po. Parang hindi ko namin napansin.
Okay. Yun nga siguro, baka dahil mataas yung energy nila. Tapos syempre, lalo na pag ganado ka na, mind you, pag kung sa performance to, yung mga concert, very effective yan. Kaya lang, nagkataon lang na nandito kayo ngayon, na pinapakinggan ng lahat ng pinakamaliit na detalye. So,
Meron akong sa lugar na opinion. Kasi I personally feel that wasn't worthy of a goal. That's just my opinion. Because I was not parang hindi na deserve na mag-go. Because I was really enjoying myself. At gusto naman ng people na nanonood, they were really going for, cheering for you. And it was a really, really great performance. Eto lang, siguro, kaya glaring yung mga sintomas, no? Is that the key? That song itself, which is Damn, it's in a minor key. And pagka ginagaya mo yan ng harmony, mahihirap tumulis. You know? However, I was enjoying myself, so, well, sadly not.
Maybe siya
ako din, may opinion. Para sa akin, maybe na kasi I was really enjoying the performance. Grabe yung angst, yung higya ng conviction. Can And yung level ng difficulty na ginawa ninyo, bibilang ako ng isa pero hindi ko kayo bigubong. Personally,
Kasi ano eh, yun ang kaibang this is the most technical singing competition.
Yes.
Even if you're enjoying the performance, kung meron mga flats and sharps, bibilangan talaga kayo. At kahit isa lang kayo, very special pa yung sistema natin. Kasi kahit isa lang ang ibibilang ni Sir Louie, pwedeng bumilang ang lahat. At pag nakatatlo sa kabuuan ng mga murado, yun ang signal talaga ng home.
Tsaka syempre, nandito na tayo sa stage ng finals natin na patindi ang labanan. So pataas din ang pataas yung standards. Ako, I'm enjoying the performance pero still hindi ko kayang palagpasin yung hindi nag-pull off na imperfections. Hindi siya talaga maganda sa pandinig. And yung dynamics din, nagkukulang eh. Hindi, halabira, yes. Nakaka-enjoy ko na ulit. Pero yung napapakinggan, hindi ganun kaganda. That's for me.
Kamusta kayo?
Okay lang po.
Okay. Ilang beses naman na kayo tumutok dito, di ba? So, isama niyo ang mga pangyayari ito sa mga napakaraming natutunan niyo sa journey ninyo rito sa tawag ng Tanghalan. At ito ang makikita kung bakit lalo kayong gagaling sa buong bukas. Okay? You guys are still very young. That's your age. 14 years old, di ba? Ganyan na kayo magagaling. May mga, alam niyo na kung ano yung mga kailangan ng improve. So, hindi ko na ma-imagine kung gaano pa kayo husay pagdating nyo ng kids and so.
Tsaka grabe yung respeto ko sa dalawang to kasi hindi siya kids edition lang eh. Lahat ng edad magkakalaban dito and it's not just one age group. So, you've made it this far. So, laban sila. Laban lang ng laban.
Sigurally, mag-uusay kayo, no? Kahit na nag-duets, medyo hindi lang nagustuhan naman.
Yeah. Kaya okay ka na kayo performers.
Yeah.
Oo, si Darren dati, first round up lang nun. Hindi siya nung lumaki.
Nagpawi-wawi siya.
Siya nag-concert sa Villa Theater.
Mali.
Siya nag-flashlight sa Villa Theater.
Oh, look at the sky, Jada. It's gonna rain.
What? I was just talking to my mom. Sorry. Mommy, look. Look, Mommy.
Oh, di ba? Tama, tama.
Look, Mommy.
Oh, hindi man ngayon ang inyong
Sorry.
Hindi man ngayon. Oo, good pa rin kayo. We are rooting for your future.
Mabawi next time.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa patanggap ng hamon ng TNT Duets, Dylan, Edesera, and Erika Castro. Hanggang dito na lang iyong paglakbay sa edisyon ito.
At kailangan pa rin kumanta ng mga susunod na pares at hindi magong para sa tsansang tanghaling kampiyon ngayong araw na ito.
Kaya wag muna kayong kakabahan kung yung aalis, ha? Ipagdasal nyo na lang na mag-book yung dalawa.
Hindi mo dapat ganun yun. Pero may laban ulit bukas.
So,
Maraming salamat, Soul Swaggers. Sa pagbabalik na TNT Duets.
Pwede makipagkaibigan. Toddlers are exposed to 200 cold viruses, but protected while making friends. I only choose Nido 3 Plus. With up to 1 billion probiotics, suitable for respiratory protection. Nido 3 Plus, your active love.
X-ray. Almost done. The video is almost done.
For years, I was the sweet girl. I'm not that girl anymore. For every transformation, I need new cream silk repair booster treatments with Avida Keratin for up to 48-hour softness and smoothness.
Yak. What's yak? Zebra.
ini-extrahan para mag-save sulit ko sa bills with extra rice, extra sulit sa 99.
As a mom, I can care for them when they're sick or protect them from harmful germs.
Bye bye, guys.